Hello. This is Kayla and Derek Daniels' house being built. Jay. Construction, they need to clean up around here. Jay, don't run around. This is the garage. This is gonna be the living room over here. And then this is a stairwell, his bedroom. I believe this is master bedroom number 1. I'm not sure. Master bedroom. And there's a stairwell right here. The stairs goes up right here. Check. Look out, Daniel.
They never really gave me the real paper. It was always wrong somehow.
What's your step? Look out for nails. This is all going to be open down here. Through here.
That's nice.
This is going to be this is a pony wall. And then this is going to be the washer and dryer. That's a scuttle hole. This is called a duct air return. And this is one of the restrooms.
You sure you did?
Piece of paper. Here's another air return right here. It's going to be a 4-bedroom. This is the second floor. It's another room. That's a little closet, walk-in closet, and the window. That their next door neighbor's house is really close. Alright, so this is how it is. Coming down. Like I said earlier, this is going to be all open. Down to the first floor. This is the stairs. 4 steps. And then it has a landing. And then it has another step, another landing. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. Another landing. I mean, that's ground floor. You got a beam right here. Solid beam. And then this is the garage. This is the garage. Their garage will be, it's their neighborhood. And then the garage is going to be right here in the back. This is going to be the back of the house. I mean, the back entrance where they get into the garage. It'll be right here. So this is it. The roof material is already loaded and ready to cover it up. It looks like it passed inspection. So it's Kayla.